We are Pemamek. Our business is welding automation. For over 50 years, we have helped our customers to boost their productivity. As a thriving family company, we know that staying ahead of the curve requires constant development and work to be better today than we were yesterday. Our global success is built on trust, partnership, and teamwork. We have engineered thousands of world-class welding automation solutions to a wide range of heavy industries. Whether you need a compact solution or a provider for your tailor-made project, Pemamek has your back. Innovation is our passion, and optimizing your production is our mission. That is why intelligent robotics, advanced control systems, and fast programming is at the core of Pema Solutions. We create future welding automation. Everything from software design, machine production, and maintenance to life cycle management is done in-house. That's the Pema way. Invest in your growth. Make more with Pema. Let's make more together.